Hi friends, we are back again. So today, if you, I just have uploaded the video on the carbenes, basically and nitrines. So this is the video over reaction of carbenes and nitrines. Both undergo similar type of reactions. The very first reaction that they both undergo are cyclo addition reactions, and the very second are insertion reactions. Okay, first of all, we will talk about the carbenes. The in cycloaddition reaction, there is a thing that differentiates singlet carbene and triplet carbene. Okay. Singlet carbenes add to alkene in a stereo specific fashion. Okay. While the addition of triplet carbene takes place non stereo specifically. So that is how we can differentiate the reactions of singlet carbene and triplet carbene. If the addition of carbene have occurred in a particular stereospecific fashion, then it will be singlet carbene, and if it has occurred in a non-stereospecific fashion, then it will be a triplet carbene. So let's see the reaction. Take as something like C double bond C plus CH2. Okay, we have taken a singlet carbene. Okay, what will it form? Again, we are studying the cycloaddition reactions. It is singlet alkene. Obviously, it will take place in a particular stereo-specific fashion. The result will be it is what we call as cycloaddition. Okay. The very second is the insertion reaction. We'll talk about the insertion reactions now. Means it can just get inserted in a CH bond to increase the length of carbon chain. See how. It will just get inserted. So just increase the carbon chain, length of carbon chain. As I have already told you in the very previous video that carbenes can act like electrophile, so they are used in the most famous reactions are Reimer-Tiemanns, and the very second carbyl amine reaction. In both these reactions, carbenes act as an electrophile. Yeah, one point. Okay, these carbenes can rearrange themselves. Carbenes can rearrange themselves for greater stability. So it was the end of the reactions of the carbene. So now talk about the reaction of the nitrine. As I would have already told you, nitrine has a single electron pair that is bonded, and it has four electrons which are non-bonded. Okay. So let's take carbene. It is a carbene. So it's a nitrine. So sorry. Cr2 double bond Cr2, just like the reaction of a carbene. As I have already told you, the reactions of nitrines are very similar to carbenes. The very second chain expansion, obviously, CH plus R, chain expansion of the chain. Just like carbenes, these nitrines can also undergo rearrangement to give final product that is neutral. Just let me show you. RC double bond ON. To now, just like this, it will just attack on this nitrogen. The resultant product will be RNC double bond O, a positive charged carbon, and this lone pair will attack on this bond to finally rearrange themselves. Rn double bond C double bond O. It is alkyl isocyanate. If you remember, it is the most important intermediate in the Hofmann, I think, bromination reaction. I think I'm quite right. In the reactions where the final product is RNH2 in amines, when the reaction I think is R C double bond O NH2 plus Br2 in KOH solvent. The result is this, the product is this, and this Rn is a very important intermediate in this reaction, and is quite us, which is an intermediate in this type of, that is Hofmann-Bromide reaction. So it was the end of this topic, the reactions involving carbene and nitrine. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, you must subscribe to our channel and share it with other students so that they can also know these details further. Thanks for joining us, and always keep smiling. Bye.